Howdy folks, Dave the Bard here.
Oh, why not? You'll get way out of giving you a run.
Oh, that's fine. Now Lucy's way out of tune here. Maybe I can tune her and talk. I'm working on the chewing the gum and walking at the same time. Now, strangely enough, we can see the chickens easier than we can see the cats. But I'm sitting behind a fairly authentic 1740s chicken coop. You see there's actual chickens in there. Now, you thought you just found those at KFC, right? Now, this song's been overplayed way much, but just to get something on film here, we're going to go through it one more time. And can you guess what's getting ready to happen here? See the highwayman so far from home. Say the highwayman, where you go? Destination is mine, said he. Off to find my destiny. We're going to try something a little different this time. You have to understand that this was written as a duet. And one is the Hiwayman, and one is just an onlooker. We usually think of an innocent young lady who has never seen such a man walking around with maybe a lute in his hand before. So I'm going to try to do the two parts. Some call it skill, some call it schizophrenia. Let's do this guy. On from home. All night long. No destination in mind, said he. I'm off to find my destiny. I almost pulled it off. Nice little trick there for you. Hope you like it.